So that would be 6 grams of protein and bracelet is from, I think, the Keys. This is what I got her along with the yellow roses. Till like June, May or June, I decided to start eating on.
I never really know what's going on.
Good morning, guys. It's Monday. It is also the start of doing split week in my life. So I'm going to be doing Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday for one, and then Friday, Saturday, Sunday as the second one. So good morning. I have done quite a few things since I woke up and I haven't vlogged, so I will tell you. First of all, I did my workout. It was a new workout, so I kind of liked it. And then I just made breakfast, and usually I would eat 2 eggs with, I get any ham, like any ham. I last time used Black Forest ham. This is honey ham. Sometimes I'll use the Publix cooked ham, whatever ham I can get my hands on. But I use 2 slices per egg. This time I did 3. I did 3 slices. I do 3 slices of ham per egg. So that would be 6 grams of protein, and I'm trying to up my protein level. I have on Courtney's video in the background. Well, I did before I started this. Big tripod and camera, and we are going to get just to cleaning. I also do have to say there is a bug in my room. I'm not sure if it's still there. I do have Chris in there. He's taking a nap on his cat tree, so I have a big fella to help me out in that time. We're gonna start with the kitchen though, so let's just get to it. We succeeded with no bug. He probably disappeared into my closet and is dead. protein whipped coffee. If you ever drank Slim Fast, you'd know what I'm talking about. In peace for a little bit, and I will see you guys when I'm ready to pack my lunch. Hello, my people of the world. It is Tuesday. You guys can't see my head, but I am going to be making a smoothie. Now, I don't think I showed it, but I may have, but I just recently bought this like a week ago, and I've used it at least like 5 times already. So I'm gonna make a smoothie bowl. So usually I would use the Trader Joe's smoothie blend. There's not much in there, so I'm going to opt for using some of this organic mixed berry blend as well, just to give it some flavor in this flavor town. And then to give it more flavor, I add in the protein powder, the Kachava vanilla protein powder. There's also chocolate, but I kind of want vanilla. And I add in 2 scoops. Number 1, number 2. And here comes the fun part. And I'm gonna dress it up with a lot of stuff today. Okay, so I'll give you a little haul. Banana, chocolate chips, always gotta have that. Purely Elizabeth, this is vegan, granola. And it is the vanilla chocolate chip. Flax seeds, chia seeds, and then berries. Usually I do strawberries, but we ran out, so flax seeds and chia seeds are just always good to have. I do have hemp seeds. Have to scat, so I'm gonna quickly do my OOTD. My shirt is from Belle's, pants are from Papaya. I'm just using this sparkly glitter shoes like I did yesterday. Necklace is from, I think it's from like a shirt or something. Bracelet is from, I think, the Keys. And then I'm just wearing my usual rings. 2 of them are from Pandora. The other one is from Amazon. Like I said, I got a scat. I'm using this. This is from Amazon. I'll try to link it. I will see you guys later though. Hi my pals. You really can't see me, but I'm here. I'm not sure when the last time I talked to you guys was, but I am currently just tidying up my bedroom a little bit, putting things away. I gotta change a battery. But I'm currently waiting for my mom, so me and her can go on our walk because we've been going on our walks again recently. We got back from the trip. Oh, there she is for right now. She's pulling up. We got sick after our trip and then it kind of just fell to shit. So we're getting that back in line. But yes, I'm gonna put on my shirt, wait for her to come upstairs, and we're gonna do our walk. And then we're making shrimp skewers. We just, for the seasoning, I'm going OG with the chili powder, garlic powder, and pepper. And we're just gonna grill it. And then I'm gonna do a salad. It's romaine lettuce with kale in it. And then I don't have my dressing, so I'll have to use the Olive Garden dressing. I'm tired as all hell. And I have been procrastinating for like an hour and a half now. My laundry. So you guys are going to be my mommy. Let's get her done. So I'm gonna go to bed, but I will see you guys in the morning. It's Thursday. I haven't really talked to you guys in a while. We'll chit chat once I get everything done. The 3 things that I don't have up here: ECOS laundry soap, the lavender scent, and then an 18-inch and a 24-inch wiper blade. I don't know if I've caught you up on the saga, but I will later on. Yogurt. There's a lot of yogurt here. I got 2 of these So Delicious dairy-free coconut milk yogurt alternatives. I got 5 little almond milk based silk yogurts, and then the dairy-free, which is soy milk based, and I got 5 of those as well. Again, another saga that I probably never updated you on. I wanted to try this orange cream. I'm not very orangey type of gal, but I'm going to try it. My mom's wine ketchup and my salad dressing. And then I got the Doc Poppy and then the grape. They didn't have the classic cola, but that is okay. Water, case of water. 3 little small cans of tomato soup. I got A1 steak sauce, garbage bags, and I just got the Walmart version of the, I'll have it on the screen, cabbage, because we're having stuffed cabbage, dryer sheets, 2 things of plant-based butter, unsalted, grapes, dude wipes, 2 things of chocolate, dark chocolate chips. Again, part of the saga that I will talk about later. I got my mom some, like, a little gift. I also forgot to buy the bread, so here's the bread. This is what I got her, along with the yellow roses. And then there's a bucket in there as well. And then there should be a little piggy in there. Yellow roses. And then my cheese, and then 2 family size. She asked for large, and that's large. Tomato soups for the stuffed cabbage. 2 things of my bread. I wanted to try these because, you know, I'm in love with Trader Joe's myself. But these are napkins, bananas, another part of my saga that I'll talk about later. I got 5 of the peanut butter overnight oats and 5 of the vanilla ones, which the rest are here. Eggs, onions. Those were given out for free on Sunday. Balsamic glaze, blackberries, my dad's milk, mozzarella balls, and then the bruschetta sauce. Shrimp, we're doing shrimp foil boils one day of the week, and then mandarin orange chicken with the veggie fried rice. I really like this pesto, so I just kind of want to keep it in the house, and that way I could have it as like a snack on top of toast. 2 ground beefs for the stuffed cabbage, raspberries, 2 things of strawberries, romaine lettuce, cilantro, corn, mixed berries. This is another thing of my saga, which I'll talk about later. Mixed berry blend, and then 3 smoothie blends. I need to put you guys on the tripod though, so I will see you guys when I'm ready to chit chat with you guys. Okay, I'm back to finish my duties. I needed a snack break. Honestly, we hardly eat spaghetti anymore, so we don't need these. So I'm going to take a 5-minute break on my phone, and then I'm going to take the trash down. I'm going to take the trash down, and then, what do you want? What do you want? And then I'm going to start on filming some reels. I just did my produce restock. And I also did my mom's Valentine's stuff, which I'll have up in the eye for you guys. And I'm currently gonna do the last short, which is just switching my Dr. Peppers from Poppies, and then I will see you guys for what I decide to make for lunch. So I just filmed the last thing that I needed to say the least. I fucking pooped. But I told you guys that I would chat about some sagas. So let me start back to last Thursday. No recollection on what happened as far as like how, like what sold the deal for me, but I truly don't know. So background, I don't even know, like May to like June, May or June, I decided to start eating acai bowls. Now I would go to acai bowl places and just buy them. On Thursday I made an acai bowl myself, but backtrack a little, like hours before I made the acai bowl, I went to Trader Joe's and I got smoothie blend, and then I went to Target and got protein powder, which by now you've probably heard of the protein powder. I use Kachava, I think is the name of it. I ended up making an acai bowl myself. I put the acai puree, and then I put a little bit of strawberries, like the berry blend from Trader Joe's, the frozen berries blend, and then a banana in there, and then I topped it with Purely Elizabeth granola, chocolate chips, strawberries, and bananas. And man, oh man, it was chef's fucking kiss. Switch over to Saturday night. Well, Saturday, after I got home from work, which I only work 9 to 12 on Saturdays, like every time that I do, unless it's planned otherwise, usually me and my coworker, so my co-teller, my lead teller I should say, switch off every other week. So, which I don't mind. And when I got home, I made a smoothie bowl with the fruit smoothie blend from Trader Joe's, and which I just showed you today. And I made it with the blend. So I really didn't measure. I just measured with my heart with the berries. I put a frozen banana in there, and then I put Kachava vanilla powder in there. Chef's fucking kiss. Chef's kiss. It changed the game. Now, Saturday night, I ended up having a yogurt, which it was I'll have a picture of the one that I tried on Saturday. That one is soy milk based, so it's no nuts, no dairy, completely dairy and nut free. And I had that, And then I put strawberries. So I think I cut 3 or 4 strawberries up into 4s. And then I also put chocolate chips on top just because I have a sweet tooth. Chef's kiss. Monday morning, my Dr. Pepper tasted a little funky. I couldn't put a taste. Actually, I don't believe, no, switch. I just switched it for Dr. Pepper. It tasted so fucking good. I was not sure why it was tasting so good. I'm not sure if it's just because like what they did in it, or I really don't know. I didn't put 2 and 2 together. Now, switch over to Tuesday. I actually put a Dr. Pepper in the fridge. I start drinking the Dr. Pepper. I get to work and I realize that Dr. Pepper tasted like ass cheeks. It tasted so bad. It tasted, the only way I could explain this taste to you was the fact that it tasted like straight syrup. Honestly, like imagine going to Starbucks and asking for only brown sugar syrup in a cup. Like that's what I felt like I was drinking. Obviously, I mean, it was like different, like a different taste to it, but like that's what it tasted like. It tastes like straight syrup, and I could not even drink a quarter of it. I think I only had drank like 6 to 8 sips out of it, and they weren't even that big. I could not stand. Tuesday, I forgot my salad dressing. Now you're like thinking, Leanne, well then just don't eat the salad. No. The salad has been the main course. So I've been bringing more salad than my main course. Eating the main course on Monday, and it tasted bad. So I think on Tuesday, I didn't have anything to make offhand. So I was like, you know what? I'm just gonna treat myself to Chipotle. So usually I end up getting their burrito bowl with chips and like queso on the side. But today, that particular Tuesday, I was like, you know what? I'm feeling like a burrito. So I just put everything in a burrito with queso and chips on the side. I didn't grab any sauces or anything. It was the first time I ever had burrito by Chipotle. In my opinion, I'm not sure if it was just me or what, but I felt the best way to explain it is like it was just dry. Like I felt like I could have used more sauces, and honestly, it didn't upset my stomach, but what it did do instead was like I just felt, best way to explain it, best scenario I can explain it to you is just the fact that it, like every time like I hiccuped or burped, I felt like the kickback or the aftertaste burp, I really don't know, tasted like the Chipotle, and that's what upsets me. Like it doesn't necessarily upset my tummy, it just upsets me, and I don't know, it just gives me that wonky feeling, and it makes me not like what I just ate, if that makes sense. So basically, moral of the story is I prefer my diet over over not taking my diet, and I don't like Dr. Pepper anymore, and I'm not big into fast food anymore. So basically, I had a major fucking breakthrough, and I was talking to my coach about it. I think on Wednesday, yes, on Wednesday, when I got to work, I ended up sending a message to my coach via the Trainwell app and like the messaging in the Trainwell app. And I told her, I was like, you know, like, cause I've been updating her here and there whenever there was something to update my diet about, like to her. And I told her, I was like, I have a major breakthrough. Like I have a major breakthrough. And I am just like so proud of myself because honestly, July me would have just ate things that weren't good for my body and weren't the best for me and what I wanted. And now me would literally look back at her and be like, well, you should have listened to the signs. But then again, there were no signs to listen to. It's just, I just felt yucky, but it's normal because McDonald's is processed. Burger King is processed. Everything that you go and buy is processed, except for when you make it handmade yourself, you know? So limiting the processed foods for me and making things from scratch is the way to go. But yes, I'm going to sit here and make a smoothie. But first, I need to put lotion on my hands, so I will be right back. They're dry. So if you're curious to know what my smoothie, like how I make my smoothie, I'm gonna go get the ingredients and I'll show you guys and we'll make it together. My toppings over there, which I'll show you guys. Oh, I need my milk. So there's a little bit of a trick to the trade here. So here's the fruits and greens smoothie blend. I love this shit. At least for my Trader Joe's, it's kind of famous there, so I bought 3 just in case I don't end up getting more the next time I go. So I measure with my heart. And you're gonna need, if you're gonna use the protein powder, it's 2 scoops per serving, so I use both scoops just to get that extra protein in. And let me tell you, this is not sponsored, but they can hit me up anytime because I will religiously be using this. But you will need a lot of milk if you use both scoops of the protein powder to keep it that thick consistency. So usually I'll just add in the milk, shake it, and then if I need more before I start blending, I will add more. I don't think I'm going to. Still tastes the same. My banana, I'm gonna add just a splash of milk in here. I suggest using frozen bananas. I actually learned this from Lauren Schneider. She prefers using frozen bananas because it's just better that way. I used to use, like when I tried making smoothies a while ago, I used to use just regular fresh bananas. It's not the same. This part for me takes a while, so I'm just gonna speed this part up. Sometimes it takes me 2 or 3 spins, but it looks good. And it's my mom's favorite color, which is purple. Like I said, guys, it's so fucking good that I can't stop fucking eating it. All my knives are currently not in commission. But I start with the strawberries. This is a big strawberry, so. You can honestly, the nice thing about these smoothie bowls is that you can customize it so much. And you can also dumb it down if you want, which is nice. Sometimes I literally end up so hungry that I just eat the smoothie itself without like any extra additives. So I've been adding chia seeds and flax seeds. They have a lot of benefits. Today I'm going to end up adding a little bit of hemp seeds. I, again, kind of just measure with my heart. I'll do like maybe a little handful, probably about like a tablespoon worth of all of it. And honestly, you can't even taste it, so it doesn't really fucking matter. And now for the banana. Recently, I've only been using half. You are going to freeze it. Take off the damn peel because I have like 3 of them sitting in here. 2 that I just don't have the energy to take off the peel. That's when my mom's home, I will have her figure it out problem. Because that's what we all do, right? Again, you can updo it as much as you want. I just prefer these things. Chocolate chips, usually they are frozen, but they are not as frozen as I want them, but that's okay. And of course, measure with your heart. And you deserve to have a few before your lunch. Or I should say meal. Granola, the Purely Elizabeth, is vegan. And it's honestly so fucking good. I just do about 2 handfuls. Sometimes a little more. And that is it. Literally. So yeah, I'm going to sit on the couch after I put away all this stuff and eat it. Do something, you know. When I have something else to talk about. vacuum started dying, so I had to reverse Uno it and just keep turning it on after it turns off. That's about 2 vacuums. 2 vacuums worth.